Guys, you know what? I had a free ticket. I am so blessed. I am so lucky for tonight. Madam, thank you so much for your kindness. I really appreciate. This is such a big help. Madam, may I know your name, please? Ma'am Joy, thank you so much. Please invite our viewers for your movie marathon here.
Everyone who wants to watch the movie, please come here at Gateway Cinema.
Until when po?
Until 17th, November 17th.
November 17. Madam, thank you very much. I'm very honored and I'm very grateful. Madam, your name, please?
Joyce.
Oh, Joyce. Thank you so much. Sir, thank you. Guys, so lucky for tonight. Madam, thank you so much. I saved 300 pesos. Madam, thank you, thank you.